Write a polynomial function of the least degree with two zeros, 4 and -5. So how much is f of x? Okay, so our precalculus class today is only one problem, this one. So welcome to precalculus class. Before to solve this problem, I want to remember this idea. A standard form, this standard form of polynomial of degree n is an to x n. So this is a standard form plus a1 x plus a. Okay, this is the factor theorem. This is a standard form, a polynomial. So another idea, this is a standard form, standard form. So one. So another idea here that we have to remember when you have this problem in precalculus is the factor theorem. Factor theorem. What is this? The binomial x minus c is linear factor of the polynomial px. If c is 0 or root, okay, of px. So these ideas we have to remember when you solve problems like polynomials from its root. So we are looking for roots and then find or write the polynomial in a standard form like this formula. Okay, so this problem, since the theorem two zeros. So the theorem two zeros, the corollary or the fundamental theorem of algebra implies the degree of fx is at least 2. Okay, so in this case we have to identify in the first step, identify the factors. Okay, here identify the factors. Each zero compounds to one linear factor. Each zero compounds one linear factors. So number one, since since 4 is a 0, since 4 is 0, then x minus 4 is a factor of f, a factor of fx. Okay. Second, this is the first. Number two, since negative 5, I would like to write different colors. So since negative 5 here is a 0, okay, x here, x minus negative 5 here, negative 5. You solve this is equals x plus 5 here, x plus 5 is a factor of fx, right? So now next step, this is the first step. Next step, multiply. So multiply, look, multiply. So we have to multiply here. Multiply what? So multiply fx equals x minus 4 times this one, x plus 5. Alright? So if we multiply this, if we multiply or solve this problem here and this next step, when you multiply, we're gonna have here x times x is x times x. I'm gonna just write the numbers right here. Then plus x times 5, x times 5, and then minus 4x here, and then minus 4 times 5. Okay. To simplify this, x times x is x squared here, x squared plus x 5x minus 4x, you're gonna have x, just x. 4 times 5 is minus 20. Okay, so the conclusion here, look at this. So fx is equals x to the second power plus x minus 20. All right, very, very important. So this is polynomial. Just write some conclusion. Function of least degree. All right. So degree with zeros. Which one? With zeros. With zeros. 4 and negative 5. Okay, so this is fine. Do you see how write a polynomials from its roots? So it's the roots. So fine, right here is a polynomial. This is the answer. Okay, so thank you so much.